There are decisions that change everything. Building an infrastructure of this scale is not just engineering. It is vision. It is risk. It is trust when there are no certainties. 240 meters, 22,000 tons of capacity. A structure designed to change everything. Because this is not only about structures, it is about people, about teamwork, about those who deliver when it matters most. Over 10,000 nautical miles, piracy zones, a war along the route, and still, we moved forward. And one day, after everything, it arrives. This is not just a dock. It is the future. It is industry. It is the Canary Islands on another level. This is just the beginning.